So we'd like to do now the next section. We're going to skip the second antiphon and go right into the Единоrodne Synie, which is only begotten Son. And here we see some interesting compositional elements of Makranets, where he likes to include sudden tempo changes. So you'll see that it starts at a particular tempo and then it slows down, and then suddenly speeds up and still slows down. But what's interesting is he does that while still retaining the chant all the way through. So you're going to hear Единоrodne Synie, or Only Begotten Son.
Слава Отцу і Сину і Святому Духу, і нині і присно, і во веки веков. Амінь. Єдинородний Сине і Слове Божий, безсмертен Син, изволив спасения нашего ради. Мокотитеся от святия Богородицы и Преснодевы Марии. Человечивися, распнися же, Христе Боже. Смертью смерть поправи, единцы святые Троицы прославляем их.